Hello everybody. So this is the first class for C programming language. You observe the syllabus. In this course, I will discuss all these things one by one. Right? So here the first one is what? C introductions. Let me discuss today in today video the introduction to C programming language or introduction to C. So in this topic I will discuss what is C language, where it is used, or what is the purpose of C language, and several applications. Right. So let me write first 2-3 sentence on C language, and I will explain one by one. So what is C language? So first point, C is a C is a high level programming language. C is a high level, or we can say middle level. Sir, why high level? Why middle level? I will tell. High level or middle level programming language. Right? High level or middle level programming language. What is high level and what is middle level? I will tell. Sir, second point is what? Sir, C is a compiler based, right? Compiler based language. It is a compiler, COM, compiler based language, right? Sir, third point is what? Here language spelling mistake, right? Language, right? Third point is, sir, it is general or multi-purpose, we can say multi-purpose, general purpose or multi-purpose, general or multi-purpose programming language, right? Language. Sir, fourth one, very important, sir. This one, it is procedure oriented programming language, right? Procedure oriented programming language. In short form, this procedure oriented programming language is called as POP, procedure oriented programming language. So C is a high level or middle level programming language. It is a compiler based programming language or compiler based language. It is a general or multi-purpose programming language. It is a procedure oriented programming language. So these are the different 4 points I will explain about the C in the C. Sir, what is the first point here? Sir, first point is C is a high level, right? High level or middle level programming language. Sir, why C is called high level or middle level programming language? Observe, sir, here. Why C is called high level or middle level programming language, right? Sir, to answer this question, right? Let me discuss some few things here. Sir, what is language? What is a language? No, if I'll ask this question to anybody, any student or any persons, what answer we will get, sir? Sir, language we are using for communicating with each others, right? We are communicating with each others. We are generally using the language. Right now, there is a communication between you and me. Okay, I'm communicating with you by using a language that is English language, right? So language generally we are using for communication purpose. Not only English, several regional languages are also there, like Telugu language. Generally, the state of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh peoples are using for communication purpose. Tamil Nadu peoples are using. Punjab state peoples are using. Sir, these are the several regional languages are there. huh? So those languages are generally used for communications between the for communication purpose, right? Sir, with whom we are communicating? We are communicating with human being only. We are not communicating by English through English language or Punjabi Telugu language with some animal like dog, cow, or tiger, elephant. No, human to human communications we are doing by the help of this language. Sir, then who is using the C language for communications? Right? Sir, you told all this general C is also a language. Okay, C is also a language. So language generally used for communication purpose. So C language, who is using for communication purpose? Right? Can I tell C is used by some specific people or a specific person for communication purpose? I mean, suppose I will tell C is used by some Andaman Nicobar island people for communication purpose. No, no, no. Only this regional language or some specific language are used for communication between human to human. But CJ such type of language, okay, CJ such type of language, it is not used for communication between human to human. Sir, if it is not used for communication between human to human, then where it is used? Okay, I will tell. Observe, sir. Nowadays, the human being are very much, very much required, but very comfortable life, right? For that comfortable life, they are using several machines, like I can say they for transporting from one for traveling from one place to another place is using car or scooty, motorcycle, bike is that they're using for maintaining cooling or some temperature below the atmospheric temperatures. They are using air conditioners, refrigerators, all these things, some machines they are using. In the kitchens also they are using the micro ovens. For cleaning of the clothes they are using the washing machine. A lot of machines they are using for their compatibility, human being compatibility, right? And to that machines the human being are able to happily communicate. Sir, how? Sir, suppose in the room the human being or I'm using the you are using the air conditioners. By sleeping on the bed through the remote controller, you can operate, you can communicate with the air conditioners. You can decrease the temperature, you can increase the temperatures, you can turn on the air conditioner, turn off the air conditioners, all these things. That means you are operating through the remote control, means you are communicating with the which one? Air conditioners. The same way, suppose you are watching televisions in the on the wall, and you are sitting in the chair. By sitting in the chair through the remote controller, you can able to change the channel, you can able to increase or decrease the volume, you can able to turn off your television or turn on your televisions. Everything you can do, everything you can do by sitting in another place, television in another. Sir, how it is possible? How it is possible, sir? It is possible because in those machines, one software is used. That software is called embedded softwares, right? And those softwares is written by some specific language, specific programming language. Those software has been written by some specific programming languages. Those C is one of the programming language, right? Can I say indirectly the C language is used for communicating with the machines, right? No doubt software, but if you are giving any instruction by pressing any button or any key in the remote controller, then the software will be activated in that machines, and accordingly as per the requirement, then we are going to get the output. But that software is written in which language, sir? Some programming language. The software is written by the help of some programming language. C is one of them. Can I say C is here indirectly using for communicating with the human being and machines? Obviously, it is correct, sir. So this type of languages, this type of programming languages are generally we are using for communication with several machines, not human to human communications, human to machine communication.